Ever wondered why hiccups turn up uninvited like that one awkward friend? Alright, let's break it down. Hiccups start with your diaphragm. That muscle below your lungs that helps you breathe. Sometimes it gets annoyed and contracts suddenly. Boom, you've got a hiccup. But why does it get annoyed? Well, eating too fast, drinking bubbly drinks, or even sudden excitement can trigger it. So next time you chug a fizzy drink or laugh too hard at that meme, beware. And that funny ick sound? It's your vocal cords snapping shut because they get caught off guard too. It's like your body's way of saying, whoops, didn't see that coming. So there you have it. The science behind hiccups. They might be annoying, but at least now you know what's going on inside your body. Got a weird hiccup cure? Share it below. Like and subscribe for more quirky science facts.